Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now if you're interested in upgrading your camera and you really want to get something that's professional quality, we highly recommend picking up a great DSLR camera. Now there are tons of different DSLR cameras on the market today, so it can be a bit overwhelming to understand which is the best option for you. But don't worry, we've done all the research for you, and today we're going to be breaking down a list of some of our favorites and going through some of the benefits and features of each. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there if you're interested. Also, if I happen to find any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I'll drop those down below for you as well. So first up, we have the best DSLR camera for travel photography, and that's going to be the Nikon D5600. Now this is a really great choice for all of you who are interested in taking pictures while traveling. It has great image quality and a long battery life. It's also very easy to use, and the fully articulated screen is handy for those of you who want to take selfies. It can also take sharp, detailed images, even at higher ISO levels. It has a wide shutter speed range, and it also has a great photo autofocus system, which does a decent job of tracking moving subjects. Now this one is a little bit bulky, so it's not the most convenient to bring along with you on trips, but if you are looking for a great camera with some great features and you don't mind that little bit of extra size, then this is definitely one that we recommend. Next up, we have the best DSLR camera for landscape photography. That's going to be the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Now this is a full-frame DSLR camera, which is well built and comfortable to use. It has a fully articulated screen, and it's bright enough to read in direct sunlight. This one even claims to be weather sealed, which means it will be resistant to a lot of weather-based damage. In terms of the image quality here, it's excellent, and your photos will feel sharp, color accurate, and free of visual noise. It also has decent battery life, but it does vary depending on usage. Again, this one does have a little bit more of a bulkier design, especially with its lens kit attached, so it may not be the best on-the-go camera, but again, it does pack some great features, and it's a fantastic buy for anybody who's interested in taking pictures of some landscape photography. Next up, we have the best DSLR camera for sports and wildlife photography, and that's going to be the Nikon D780. Now this is a premium full-frame DSLR camera and has a remarkably effective photo autofocus system. It also has a very fast shutter speed and relatively quick continuous shooting speed of 8 FPS. This means it'll help you capture clear images of fast-moving objects, which makes it a great option for both sports and wildlife. This one also has a great battery, which supplies more than enough power for several long shooting sessions. In terms of ease of use here, the menu system is intuitive and easy to navigate. The screen is also sharp and bright enough to see under direct sunlight. This is definitely a well-built camera and overall a great option. So if you are looking for something to capture fast-moving objects like sports or wildlife, we highly recommend this camera. Next up, we have the best DSLR camera for vlogging, and that's going to be the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This crop sensor DSLR camera is notably smaller and lighter than most of the others on this list, and what that means for you is it's going to be much more portable. It has a fully articulated touchscreen, so you can see what's being displayed when the camera is pointing at you. It also has a great menu system, it's easy to navigate and easy to use. In terms of quality, this camera can record in FHD with sharply rendered object textures and surfaces. Now there is a bit of graininess if you are recording in a poorly lit environment. This one does have a great autofocus system though, and it does a fantastic job of maintaining focus on moving objects in this resolution. Do note that 4K recording capabilities are rather limited here, and it's only capable of shooting at 24 FPS with a severe 1.54 time crop. That said, if you're not planning on shooting in 4K, this is a great option for vlogging. Next up, we have the best DSLR camera for studio video, and that's going to be the Canon EOS 90D. Now this crop sensor camera is capable of shooting in FHD and 4K without crop and delivers satisfactory video quality overall. It has low levels of visual noise in dark environments. It also has a wide complement of inputs and outputs. That means that you'll be able to use things like headphones and microphones, and it has a clean HDMI output if you're planning on using an external recorder. This one also has a really great autofocus, and it doesn't matter if you're shooting in 4K or FHD. It's very good at keeping track of those fast-moving subjects. It has a great touchscreen here that's very sharp and bright enough to be seen under direct sunlight. It also has a fantastic battery that's great for long shooting sessions. This one is a little on the heavy side though, so if you are taking it with you, it's just something to be aware of. But overall, this is definitely a great option for studio video and has tons of features packed in. So guys, if you are in the market for a new camera and you are interested in jumping into the world of DSLR, we hope this video was helpful for you in making the right choice. If it was, please feel free to give us a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, along with any of those deals or discounts that I mentioned. Also, if you happen to have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop those below as well. I love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today, stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.